Hello everyone, today I will be showing the step-by-step on how to install Tony 4.1.7 with local Python 3. First, we need to open our browser and search Tony IDE and download the 3.10 Python. Wait until finish. Install for money. Next. Install. And wait until it finish. Then click finish and search Tony. This one. Then let's try to print. Type print. Hello world. And let's try to run it. Okay. Work. Say my surname. Then let's try to run it. Run, okay. Then let's save this one as Gamboa Python file. And that's it. Thank you for watching, guys.